Welcome to my garden. Today, I'm showing you my beautiful Kinnow and orange trees. As you can see, the trees are healthy and full of fresh green fruits. Although the fruits are not fully ripe yet, they are growing very well. Watching these trees grow is always a wonderful experience. I hope you enjoy this short garden tour and like seeing the natural beauty of these citrus trees. If you enjoy gardening and fruit tree updates, don't forget to like this video. Share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing garden videos. Thank you for watching.